We're making chia flour tortillas. Let's go! Over the past few weeks, I've been experimenting with using chia seeds as a flour substitute, and I thought the first recipe should be tortillas because people love tortillas. They're so popular. What I love about this recipe is it just uses 3 ingredients and no eggs. And you're going to need 1.5 cups worth of chia flour, so do go ahead and grind your seeds down. Ingredients with measurements is listed in the description box, and let's get into the recipe now. Add 1.5 cups of chia flour to a bowl, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive, avocado or coconut oil, and lastly 1 cup of boiling hot water. Mix all that together first with a spatula, then it will cool a bit, so go ahead and knead it so it's mixed well. You will notice the dough is very sticky, so let it rest for about 15 minutes and the chia is going to absorb some of the moisture. This is me with bare hands, and as I press the dough you will see it's not so sticky anymore, but the inside will be sticky. It only tends to dry on the outside. My total dough weight is 414 grams, and this recipe is for 5 tortillas, so separate the dough accordingly and each little ball should weigh about 83 grams. Roll out each ball between 2 sheets of parchment paper, and now I just want to show you what to expect. The dough is still a little sticky, but the paper comes away nicely from the dough. Now to just tidy the edges, and this is my easy way of doing it with a pot lid, and trim off the edges. Over a medium heat, add 1 tortilla to a pan and fry for 2 minutes on each side. As the tortilla warms, you will see it shrink a little, and now it will fit in the pan properly. Okay, repeat this process until all the tortillas are fried, and now I want to show you these when they are completely cooled. Well, this just shows how flexible these tortillas are, and a great alternative to the cheesy tortillas that we did and the spinach tortillas. And I hope you get to try it because chia seeds are really filling, and this is going to be a great alternative for you on the keto diet. I hope you get to try it. Please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.